Hey everyone, welcome to another Labubu unboxing. So we're going to have a treat for you today. Multiple unboxings. We're here to see what is in these boxes. Big into energy. The only one I have gotten so far is happiness. Oh, look at this. And it's the cute new little bag. This is loyalty. I'd like to point out the little yellow nose and the little yellow teeth or tooth, the two different contrasting ears. She's got her little yellow toenails, and look at the depth of and the sparkle, which I think there are rare foils of this card, but I've never pulled one of those. All right, I'll see you in the next unboxing.